Oh man. Everyone knows Hong Kongers are obsessed with food. So much so they can make your whole life revolve around just one drink, like milk tea or lai cha. Take this guy for example. He's a milk tea champion, which means that he lives and breathes milk tea 365 days a year. So what's that mean for him? Here's Mr. Chen, the 2016 milk tea champion, flexing on his weekly class. And yes, there is a class for this. Here's where he trains his future milk tea proteges. You can tell people take this really seriously. I mean, just look at all those notes they're taking.
我哋港式奶茶最主要嘅特點咧就係香、濃、滑。
So basically he's saying Hong Kong's milk tea is thicker, stronger, and smoother than everyone else's. Why is that?
我哋呢個茶咧，港式奶茶咧係由斯里蘭卡嘅茶葉，幾隻唔同嘅紅茶嘅品種嘅茶葉拼配而成。
Which makes it mad Asian fusion, just like Hong Kong itself.
再通過我哋本地師傅嘅手法，個撞呢個動作將茶葉中嘅草青味去咗嘅，將個茶嘅餘韻更加均勻咁帶出嚟。
Straining the tea back and forth is key. Too much or too little and you lose that perfect taste and texture. Last step, the magic ingredient, evaporated milk. Back then Hong Kong didn't do fresh milk, so this is what they had to use. But it stuck around and now it's a classic. The attention to detail is why people are still so obsessed with Hong Kong style milk tea. I mean, you can go to New York, San Francisco, Boston, wherever, and you'll find it. And it's the same flavor that makes your bubble tea taste so damn good. Hey guys, we're a new channel and we're gonna be doing a lot more stories on China in the ways that we understand. So if you've got any questions, hit us up on the internet and we'll see you next time.
He's flexing.
Flexing.